We're done. Hello, it is October 26th, and today was Today was supposed to be my first day of school, however, it got canceled. So now I am on my way to go walk Ruby, and I'll see you guys when I go get Ruby. I picked up Ruby. Say hi, Ruby. And we are doing our walk. We've walked almost a mile, and I don't know what to talk about. Just kind of walking. So good to be back at my grandma's house.
What? What? Yes. Look, huh? Look. Let's get. Oh, you getting ready to go? It's hard now. The ugliest sketch you've ever seen. That's all in the house again.
Bless you. It is 7:30 in the morning. There's snow on the ground, but yet it's only 43 degrees. And I feel like a bum. Seriously, like, I'm not even in winter clothes. I'm in my pajamas. Ridiculous. Are you okay, Paige? What is this? Jason and Lucy barking. Today is my first day of school. I'm walking Lucy. It's January 28th and it is so cold, unlike yesterday. Yesterday was so warm and now I'm freezing my buns off. Kinsley, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm just at Grandma's.
You're where?
I'm at Grandma's.
You're at Grandma's. What are you doing at Grandma's?
So my mom has to go to work.
Oh.
So Grandma talk.
Oh, I didn't.
No, you're gonna pick your nose. Say hi.
Hi. Get off those. Hi, his name is Parker Ryan Needle and I'm Kinsley Hacker.
Yeah, that's mine.
Okay.
Get out of my way, Grandma.
Please. Please.
And then it's gonna be Valentine's soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be Valentine's Day soon.
I already got cards.
Yeah?
I forgot to. I don't know if I did you.
That's okay.
I did you.
Okay. You did me on a Valentine's Day card?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Keep recording.
It keeps recording? Okay.
All right. Well, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm at the Sheetz gas station with my dad. He's inside getting a cup of coffee. I'm just sitting here waiting for him to return. Him and I, we're gonna go down to the lot, and then once we're done feeding and taking care of the dogs that are down there, we are gonna go wash his truck. So as we were leaving Sheetz, my dad noticed that his brakes were broken. So now we are at AutoZone. We're waiting for my mom to come pick us up. We're sitting here parked because, you know, we don't want to wait and go out in the traffic and get into an accident. So we're going to sit here for a little bit until my mom picks us up. Do that again. Do it again.
Like that?
That was a back handspring. That made your chest up faster. So when you
I just need to get my confidence first.
listen, you just did it.
Oh.
That one was fun. To my weight. I weigh 109.
I weigh 168.
Exactly. I'm lifting what I can.
Oh!
You're done.
It's like this.
We're done. You're tired. Smile. It's not a smile. I like how Richard, you only put half your face in it.
I know.
Tiger finger, where are you? Where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Are you happy now?
No more Humpty Dumpty.
No more Humpty Dumpty.